Bobrisky in EFCC detention. EFCC spokesperson Dele Oyewale confirmed his arrest. Wahala, wahala, wahala. The EFCC has detained popular cross-dresser Idris Okunenye, popularly known as Bobrisky. Wow, mommy Lagos don't enter wahala o. E be like say na 1 week, one trouble. Turn by turn Nigerian PLC. The other day, na very dark black man. Na him dem pap by police. Today, na Bobrisky. As soon as Bobrisky was arrested, very dark black man hit the social media. I suspect money laundering and another petition will soon be filed. Very dark black man claims that he is the cause of Bobrisky's arrest. The self-acclaimed activist also sent a warning to Bobrisky's connections to stay clear from the issue or risk being exposed. April is about to be very long. That was very dark black man. Hear him.
All right, they don't arrest Bobrisky. You understand? First things first. Mr. Blue Audi, Mr. Lamborghini, Mr. Pinnock Estates for Lagos. I know say you be big boy, you get plenty connection, but I want to advise you see this matter, be a little piece of advice. No make any call, though. You understand? If not, now this one go drown you. No say they do code, now this one go bring you out, and everything where you get, you go lose out. You don't understand? You don't understand? The friend of my enemy, now my enemy. Wallahi, na Abuja deal. But lie, you go lose everything. So just come on you and do as if you know say they carry on. You understand? Just day your day. Now, you know what is funny? They say Bobrisky get connection. All the people where they connected to, they no go make any call. They no bond them where make them call now. Any big man where call now, I be saying they knock Bob. You understand? I want to see where that connection reach. I want to know your connection. Your connection will finish. It go finish. Now, why did they arrest him? Simple. Very simple now. Is it not? It's abuse of naira now. They spray naira, they match the naira. Why would they be doing that? Under section 21, subsection 3 of the CBN Act of 2007, it says that if you manhandle the naira, it is a punishable offense. So that's why they arrested a very small thing. The fine is 50,000 naira, pay it. But then again, EFCC, you know that just some other thing. I'll still send another. I'll send reports. You understand? I'll send another reports come again. You know, in the spray dollars, in the pack heap of dollars, all those bundle of money. You know, the house and everything. Now, guys, I suspect money laundering. I suspect it. So another petition will still be filed. Never find people that don't have anything to lose. You see this one room, una go learn. Wallahi, una go learn. Una go learn. That's number one. Number two, and your large right? If not me, wallahi, you get love say I know even the outside when all that thing they happen. Because me like this, I go push the agenda. They no go watch that your film. You understand? They do as if you don't know what they do. They no go watch that film. That money where you take to that film. To say at the outside, yeah. With all your sons, that film, I no sure say go because I don't see any reason where you carry best dressed female give a man. It was a deliberate act. When they can't kick against them, because people no talk if for no talk. When they kick against them, you come and like, so just a publicity stunt. I sold my 2 cars. I borrowed money. Da. After you cry finish, you still go carry the Bobrisky, go do meet and greet. Nigerians, let me tell you what is funny that you people don't know. It's all these celebrities where they see. All these things where all these boys they do. You understand? All this Gabrielism and don't be say they don't know. Don't be say they know they see the negative impact of what these boys they do. But you know the problem, if they talk against them, they no go give them American visa. I know say Nigerian celebrities, they prefer American visa past the future of their children. As they do like that, so they go rather carry their sons of 12 years old, give man main man post. May they give them visa that may they no reach to America. American are the ultimate price for them.
But why was Bobrisky actually arrested? Recall that very dark black man has given the Nigerian police 1 week to arrest Bobrisky, else he would cross-dress and visit public female restroom. Hear him.
The Nigerian police and to the authorities, if una no arrest Bobrisky, my next move, una go arrest me tire. Because una no even fit arrest me again, sef. From my next move, you cannot arrest me now. Una say training no be problem, cross-dressing no be problem, right? We all go turn that cross-dressing. Do you understand? We all go turn that cross-dressing. You see what me I want to now? Do you understand? As Bobrisky, they fit change gender, because when Bobrisky they go in father burial, Bobrisky was a man. Do you understand? But he go come back again, can't do woman. This one, so they change her. Me now, do you understand? As soon as I don't talk, say okay, yes, it is legal, tranio, if you cross dress, no problem. I go wear woman clothes, I go dress. I'll give her 1 week after I drop my petition. If I no do Bobrisky anything, I go wear woman clothes, I go dress, I go shop right bathroom, women's section. I go sit down there. I won't see free. I go sit down there. I be women. I win all girls. Oh my God, window.
The spokesperson of the anti-graft agency, Dele Oyewale, confirmed the cross-dresser's detention to Premium Times on Thursday. Mr. Oyewale said Bobrisky was arrested for naira mutilation. He said, yes, he is with us in our Lagos State Command. I want to confirm to you that he is in our custody for currency mutilation and abuse of naira. We are investigating him and he will be charged to court. The cross-dresser was invited by the EFCC on Tuesday but turned himself in on Wednesday. A source at the agency said the cross-dresser was captured on video spraying words of naira at the premiere of Eniola Ajora's Beasts of Two Worlds movie. Bobrisky had been in the news in the last few weeks for his infamous Best Dressed Female award at the Beasts of Two Worlds premiere in Lagos and for his spat with Portable. So it is now crystal clear that Bobrisky was not arrested as a result of being a cross-dresser. Remember that Very Dark Black Man said that if Bobrisky was not arrested as a result of being a cross-dresser, he will go on to dress like Bobrisky. And the spokesperson of the police came online at Channels TV to say that there is no law in Nigeria that said anybody that is a cross-dresser should be arrested. That was why they never arrested Bobrisky. Don't forget that Very Dark Black Man was arrested as a result of his comments. This is why, or one of the things that made the police to take Very Dark Black Man. Hear him.
I dare them to arrest her. Should I say now 14 years? I dare anybody, because Bobrisky they can't talk and say, hey, carry man carry and a man they spend for a life. I dare Nigerian government to arrest Bobrisky if you no go cast. We they come to where we say they say okay now 14 years, but Bobrisky they fly. Plenty of these people under comment section where they say all these boys now you plenty of them they run out. For Lagos. Man be say me the first start with Bobrisky. If they dare arrest Bobrisky, now that they wanna go know how many people they run this thing for this country. May they try now. Down to plenty of them for the north, down to plenty of them for the east, down to plenty of them for the west and the south. Now if you go Calabar like this, the last time I go Akwa Ibom, I surprise. When I enter Akwa Ibom, I surprise, guy. Almost all the boys for the events when I go. Almost all. Oh my God. You dey everywhere. When I know they deceive themselves for Nigeria. Plenty people they run out.
I'm the #1 Ashawo cross-dresser. Started practicing gay lifestyle when I was 10 years to 11 years at Guagua. I don't do girls, I only do guys.
Now, if you watch that video, yeah, the guy says something for the starting. He says he starts with a knock man at the age of 10. Obviously, they take advantage of him, where affect him, where make himself start to see himself in that light. You understand? So if truly start at the age of 10, I no go blame him. Secondly, the comment section, they funny. You say, may they arrest him. May they start by arresting Bobrisky. The lawmakers who put this law, may they first arrest Bobrisky first, because we watch Bobrisky from being a man, he turn woman for our eye like this. Say where they go party, they do everything, nobody arrest them. And you know why nobody arrest them? Because the lawmakers, plenty of them, they duck them. Do you understand? Yes, plenty of them they duck them. That's why they know. I dare them to arrest Bobrisky for Nigeria. I dare them.